All right, so our next option is going to be our near side armbar. And we'll actually look at a far side armbar too at some point, but we're going to start on the near side one. And we can continue for the sake of continuity with the idea that I threaten that first hand as a deep collar choke. A lot of times, this other hand now might be looking to block this collar or kind of block my hand, and that near side arm becomes available for attack. Another time where it might be available to attack is, your partner's kind of just like pushing you over here or extending his arm away, and you feel an opportunity where you can control his sleeve. And when we talk about the control of this sleeve, we don't want to grab it on this side, okay, the pinky side in this case, because if Ivan pulls his thumb aggressively to his chest, go ahead, it's going to break. But if I grab around the thumb side like this, and Ivan pulls his thumb, it's a lot stronger, okay? The way for him to break this grip would actually be bringing his arm into further extension, which is harder for him. So assuming I had that first collar, he went to defend his arm, I managed to fish this grip. Now I'm gonna slide my knee up and across his body a little bit, and then I pass this lead leg over before I fall. Here. You'll notice from this position I kept the collar. What that does, especially for beginners, is it keeps me tight to my partner, right? I want to have his elbow in between my hips on the armbar. If I let go of the collar and I'm not that good at this move, sometimes what happens is I land shallow over here, and it's difficult for me to kind of, rescue this position. Yes, I can try to hamstring curl, pull the wrist up and try to get some purchase on the position again. But if I had this collar anchors me tight, and now we're in a good spot, a nice tight spot where I have the control of the line of his elbow. And then from here, I shake hands with him. I make sure his thumb is up, and then that grip is going to switch to a push. I pinch the knees, I pull and push, and start to elevate the hips. Again, we have our armbar finish over there. So the other side real quick, Ivan. So knee on belly position. I start with that first threat. As this hand looks to block, I control it. So I'm going to control, pull it up, and as I pull it up, I keep this collar. I'm pulling this collar towards me. So here, and I keep the collar. Now I change, shake hands with him, and then from here, we have a good near side arm bar off of that knee on belly position.